So we got a tractor trailer on its side, 110 South at Harry Bridge. Is a very popular spot for rollovers. Loaded with tires. So CHP is giving the guy a chance to bring his trailer over here. They got an off-road crew that's gonna help take out the tires. Should make it a bit easier. It'll be empty. From there, I'm gonna position the 1075 in the front to lift and catch the tractor in the front of the trailer, and then I got my wrecker in the rear. Okay, so we gotta change the plans. Like I said, CHP let them bring their off-road crew to take the tires. I kicked one heavy loose. I'm gonna do this with just a rotator and my heavy. I'm gonna use the 75 ton to bring up the trailer. I got the heavy for the tractor and for the tow afterwards. The roof and the sides are pretty compromised, and it's not a container, so I'm not going to use chain. Let's see. Yeah, I'm going to start prepping now. I got my recovery straps and the protectors. I'm going to help them offload so we can get it done quicker, and then we can start the rigging process. Okay, off-road crew is making good work of this. While they're doing that, I got my little setup. Got the recovery straps and the protector. Gonna be lifting from the front and the rear. After I pre-pick, set that up. Then I got some 15 footers for my catch. One catch right here, 15 footer, one right there, joining in the middle with the bridle. I got all right here. Thinking once I do that, I use a snatch block to my front outrigger with an auxiliary cable to pull down the tractor, and then just have the heavy as a catch on the tractor, just so it comes over in one controlled motion. Drive shaft's already removed. Just finishing up on the cleanup. That way, as soon as the off-road crew is done, we're good to go. Should make for a nice lift. All right, we're all in position. Fully empty. Now let's rig. Hector, go ahead and back up 66 in the front. I'm gonna use you for the catch. Yeah. Outriggers first. Alright, all in position. Got the truck ready for action. Albert, once I start lifting up, we're gonna run the angle irons right here.
Okay. So
And
on the other side?
yeah, and then the straps right here.
You need two of them?
Yes, sir. They're by the truck. Woo. ready?